The smart home. When it comes to the smart home, I personally have been looking for a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector that works with HomeKit. There's a lot of different smart smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors out there. You know, you've got like the Nest Protect, which is kind of famous. It's been around forever, and it's probably the most famous smart home smart detector or smoke detector out there. But it's Nest, which is Google. It doesn't work with HomeKit. So I wanted to find one that worked with HomeKit, and I think I found it. We're going to find out together. So we're about to do an unboxing and setup of this Onelink smart smoke detector carbon monoxide alarm. Let's get started. What up, everybody? It's George Langabeer with SilverHammer Surveillance. Here on the channel, we talk tech and we talk security. I'm a security guy, have been for 25 years. When you're talking about security in the home, safety is also a big part of that. And so we talk about cameras and burglar alarms and all that good stuff. But what about smoke and fire and carbon monoxide and that kind of thing? Very important. If you go back and watch our videos on security alarms, a lot of people brought up, you know, what happens in case of a fire or carbon monoxide. Well, that's a great point. So in the smart home, you can have these smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. Again, like I kind of said in the intro, the most famous is probably made by Nest. I've been looking for one that works with HomeKit, and I'm hoping this is the answer. All right, so looking at the box here, you know, it talks about emergency notifications. Notifications in this case is very important. You're at work, you're on vacation, there's a fire, carbon monoxide, you want to know about it when you're not home. So that's great. That's kind of the key to this whole thing. Voice alerts, it'll tell you the location of the danger if you are home. It'll announce over the speaker on the actual unit itself. Talks about the 2-in-1 protection, which is smoke and fire and carbon monoxide. But let's open it up and see what we got inside, and then let's set it up. Let's start with slicing into it. One of my favorite parts. And again, this is made by First Alert. It's called Onelink, and this is the battery model. So that's nice. You don't have to worry about the electrical and wiring and back of the box. Got the good old HomeKit logo at the bottom, which is why I'm excited about this. All right, so at the top of the box, it just tells you to download the app, which we've already done. I went up and set up an account. Basically, you just sign up with the email, password, that kind of thing. Sends you a verification email. You click the link, you go back to the app, and you're ready to go. And then we got our HomeKit code down here. So that's on this little card at the top. Then we've got the unit itself. Again, your HomeKit code is on the back. Tells you when it was manufactured, which is nice. That's kind of the same way the Nest was. And then it just got the battery compartment and one button on the front. And then you've got your mounting bracket and some mounting hardware. And that is the contents of the box. So let's set this bad boy up. Okay, so I got the Onelink app from the App Store, and then I signed in with an account. Like I said, you just email, password, verification link, you're good to go. When I got into the app, it already had my HomeKit Homes, and then it basically just asked me to add my first device. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus button. And then it asks me what unit I have here, so I'm going to say battery alarm. And then it's going to ask me what room I'm in, so we're going to call this the showroom because that's where it's at. And then it's going to ask me the alarm announcement name. I'm going to call this office because there's not really anything applicable to this show, or to this store. But you know, obviously at your home, you're just going to pick the appropriate room that it's in. Then I'm going to hit continue. Tells me what I need to install it. And again, it comes with this little mounting hardware. Just 2 screws, pretty simple. Suggesting my mounting location, or asking me about my mounting location, asking me if I'm replacing an existing alarm, and it's telling me to go ahead and mount it. So let's do that. Okay, we're going to set this up. We got our mounting plate. We got one of the 2 screws that came. So, you know, it's pretty simple. Just got to make sure you got the right side. I'm picking this spot in our hallway because here at our shop, this is probably the most central. One tip that I do want to tell you is that you don't want to put this in a garage because of the carbon monoxide problem. Yeah, it's going to alert you about the carbon monoxide from a car, but too often, there's always going to be some carbon monoxide in a garage, so just keep that in mind. We'll go right above this light switch to make it look all pretty. Straight. All right, and that's it. And then you can put wall anchors if you want. We've got a pretty interesting material in our walls here, so I didn't need the wall anchor. But then you're just going to line this up. And it's just like a quarter turn.
First Alert welcomes you to
And
your
that's it.
Onelink smoke and carbon monoxide alarm.
So
The
once
Onelink
that's...
app will guide you through the simple setup process.
So again, we're just going to hit continue where I was in the app, because basically it just told me to go ahead and mount it at that point. I'm going to hit continue. Tells me to lock it into place, which I already did. Tells me that I found the device. When I locked it to the base, basically it made that connection. And you can see it's finding it and finishing the... So now it's asking me for the HomeKit code, which is right here. I'm going to scan that. That's pretty standard. So you've got your, it's on the instructions. It's also on the box. Here we go, adding it to HomeKit. And again, number one reason I wanted to try this is because it's HomeKit compatible, whereas a lot of these smoke detectors, at least the most popular ones, don't seem to be. This one is very popular and it does work with HomeKit, so that's why we're trying it out. All right, HomeKit setup complete. That was pretty simple, like most HomeKit devices are. Getting these little final steps. It's pretty sleek looking, pretty modern looking. It's going to look good in pretty much in any house. I suppose the Nest probably looks a little more modern, but it's still pretty damn cool. All right, still going through this final setup process. Okay, so now after that little setup there, we're going to add it to our Wi-Fi network. So our SilverHammer Wi-Fi network is being, things joining it. All right, so it's joined our Wi-Fi network. Now we're getting the finishing up indication. So far, this has been pretty painless. So it's registering the device to the cloud, configuring the device announcement. Just keep going.
Office location programmed.
Okay, so it just told me that it was programmed. It's asking me my Siri commands. So basically, it's, you know, tells you at the bottom what you can say. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to leave that as it is because that makes sense as far as our lovely friend Siri is concerned. All right, so there's the status. You can see everything is okay. It's telling me that, telling me what the battery status is. The Wi-Fi is okay. I can test it. I can silence it. It tells me our recent history here. So pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory what you get into this. You got your settings wheel over here. Talks about low battery replacement, what home it's in as far as HomeKit goes, and names used by Siri, so you can go ahead and change those if you need. Tells you your serial number, firmware, all that good stuff. Okay, so you've kind of seen it in the app. Let's talk about its HomeKit integration. So here I am in HomeKit. If I go to my showroom, at the top you got the alarms and sensors. If you press on that, there's your CO alarm and your smoke alarm. If you press on those, you can get into the individual settings. You can change the name of it if you want. And then you can do different automations with this and tells you what the battery level is, so that's pretty cool. And it says yes or no to carbon monoxide detecting. But yeah, so there it is right at the top of the showroom, and you can add this to your favorites, have it on your home screen. Very simple to access, and that's why I love HomeKit, so easy to use. All right, so that's our unboxing and setup of the Onelink made by First Alert. Got to keep your family safe in addition to keeping them secure. This is a step in the right direction. Get multiples, maybe one on each floor, whatever you need. But let me spend some more time with it till I can give a full review, but I mean, I think it's kind of a no-brainer as far as these devices go. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. Hopefully you enjoy the channel. We love having you here. Please subscribe. Come back for more tech talk, security talk, crazy shoplifter stories, unboxings, reviews, all that good stuff. We love to protect your family. We love to talk about tech. Till the next video, peace and love.